Are you trying to lose weight? There are many things that help weight loss besides a fad diet and exercising once in a while. It needs proper planning and a lot of determination. Here are a few easy steps to help you lose weight. 1. Start your day with lemon water. Lemon water is a good weight loss beverage. Lemon juice aids in the absorption of nutrients that your body requires to convert fat into energy and prevent weight gain. To maintain your new weight, continue to drink lemon juice even after you've lost weight. 2. Take apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is excellent for weight loss since it contains acetic acid. Acetic acid prevents the accumulation of body fat. Apple cider vinegar also aids in the absorption of nutrients from food, as well as treating digestive disorders and fighting infections. 3. Replace your regular coffee with green tea. Drinking green tea is also a wonderful way to lose weight. It has a wide spectrum of antioxidants that aid in the digestion of foods and weight loss. Green tea catechins are effective at burning fat by releasing fat from fat cells. They also combat free radicals and help to prevent sickness. Substitute a cup of organic green tea for your regular cup of tea or coffee. Green tea can be consumed in 3 to 4 cups per day. 4. Exercise. There is no way to avoid daily exercise and activity if you truly want to reduce weight in a healthy way. You can lose weight and keep it off by combining mild and vigorous physical activity. Exercising also reduces stress and improves energy, mood, and sleep quality. It reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, strokes, and cancer. Setting out a specific period in your day for your fitness regimen will help you from skipping it because you don't have enough time. 5. Eat a healthy diet. A nutritious, low-calorie diet is an essential component of any successful weight loss strategy. Instead of gorging up on junk food, make sure to incorporate fresh fruits, veggies, and whole grains in your diet. Keep fried and greasy foods to a minimum. Also, limit your sugar and salt intake. Look for more nutritious versions of your favorite foods. Eat homemade air-popped popcorn instead of high-calorie oil-popped popcorn, for example. White bread, cookies, muffins, pizzas, hot dogs, burgers, pasta, and other items produced with white flour should be avoided. Choose whole grain and less processed versions of these meals. They should mark their products as 100% whole grain, not just made with whole grains or multi-grain. Consume more fiber and proteins while consuming fewer carbohydrates. Proteins keep you fuller for longer and reduce cravings. Allow yourself a cheat meal once a week. It's crucial to remember not to overeat. Eat carefully and try to avoid distractions while eating to get the most out of your cheat meal. Instead of bottled fruit juices, which are high in sugar and preservatives, opt for fresh fruit juice. Incorporate pure coconut oil into your daily diet. It's easy to digest, healthy for your health, and aids in the breakdown of components in your body. Eat smaller meals more often. 6. Drink plenty of water. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to aid in the removal of toxins from your body. It is recommended that you consume 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. It not only aids in the removal of pollutants, but it also helps the body burn fat more quickly. Also, consume more water-rich fruits and vegetables. 7. Get proper sleep. It is also critical to get enough sleep and relax in order to lose weight. In reality, not getting enough quality sleep has an impact on your appetite and fullness hormones, the way your body breaks down materials, and how your genetics influence your BMI. Sleep deprivation makes you munch later at night, makes you seek comfort foods, and makes you too fatigued to exercise regularly. Sleep deprivation can also sabotage weight loss efforts. Ensure that you receive at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep each night.